Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make drumstick flower rasam. Very healthy and an immunity boosting recipe. It has all the health benefits of the drumstick leaves. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of jeera, grind this to a very fine powder. To this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Get this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot and add 3 cups of water to it. To this add 1 cup of drumstick flour, a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a quick mix and let this cook for 10 minutes until the drumstick flowers are nicely done. Now it's been 10 minutes and the flowers are nicely done, so transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. Heat the same mud pot and add a teaspoon of oil to it. When the oil is nice and hot, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 dried red chilies, a pinch of asafoetida and few curry leaves. Give it a quick saute. To this add the crushed ingredients and 2 ripe tomatoes thinly sliced. Mix it well until the tomato turns smashy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and the drumstick flower water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. When it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious drumstick flower rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this drumstick flower rasam at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.